Not audible. Very good morning. That's good. Okay. So very auspicious and wonderful day for Weltec institutions. First of all, I thank each one of the students who have traveled across from all the places for attending this campus interview. Okay. I believe that many of the people are coming from many faraway distances. Hope you had your breakfast and looking forward to your wonderful day for the campus life. Let me take the privilege of welcoming on behalf of the management and the placement department of Weltec institutions. I welcome Mr. Suresh Shaktivel sir, the senior recruitment manager from Kubernetes Systems. Give a wonderful hand to Mr. Kubernetes Systems for giving an opportunity for each one of you for this campus drive. I also welcome Mr. Venkatesh, assistant manager recruitment in Kubernetes Systems. Give a big hand to Mr. Venkatesh also. Now I request Mr. Karthik as well as Mr. Ramachandran sir to give a bouquet. Thank you. All the welcomes, do well. Now I request Mr. Suresh Shaktivel sir to give a few thoughts about the company profile and the job descriptions. Thank you.
I actually thought this morning, I thought there would be 600 people waiting for us at the time of the day. It's only 10% of the 600, so that means 65. Then 11%. Hopefully, let's see what people are on the way. Yeah. But still, I always prefer the less crowd for the better results. Okay? So, let me introduce myself. I am Suresh Shaktivel and heading recruitment for Kubernetes Systems, and my team member Venkatesh. And 3 more people are coming. They are on the way. Team and 1 more HR person. We'll have a 30-minute session, not 30 minutes, 15-minute session. In this, I'll run through about Kubernetes Systems, what we are doing and what is our background, so that we are able to understand our profile and then make a decision on our opportunity. So that is the objective of the session. Kubernetes Systems, Campus Placement 2020. And we started in the year 1990. It's a 25-year-old company. 25-year-old company, and headquartered in Chennai. Tidal Park is our corporate office, and 2 offices at United States and Canada, Toronto. That is our branch office. And then assess CMM level 3 and ISMS 20001 and 2013. When I say CMM level 3, it is all process oriented. When we acquire the project till acquisition and pick up the sign of the project, we have to maintain a lot of processes, policies with respect to the quality and deliverables. A lot of things we need to follow. That is called CMM level. Set up good practices, they used to say. That is one. And ISMS, that is a confidentiality class, the Information Security Management System. And I say ISMS, each and every information received from client end or sent from Kubernetes end that has to be transmitted in a secured form. A lot of security measures we need to ensure before handing over to client. And we are operating through 30 channel partners with 30 countries, a lot of channel partners. So our presence across 30 countries through channel partners. So for 1,600 plus satisfied customers, it is not an easy task. Having highly satisfied customer. We deliver a lot of projects, but the highly satisfied customer list is 1,600 plus. And the employees strength is 450. Our company, very limited on the headcount side, so ours is 450 with all our processes. And what are the business verticals I operate? First is the banking, finance and insurance, that is BFSI, shipping, healthcare, telecom, education, government. All are the business verticals, that's the domain. Under each domain, what are the offers we are giving to the IT world? This is one. Applications, on all about banking, shipping, healthcare, a lot of things we do, the domain consulting. And then the government, when I say the government, nothing to do with Indian government. It's all about Canadian and US based government projects like Ontario pension program or the weather forecasting, the focus, education, a lot of things based at Canada and US. Kumaran advantage, this slide I picked it from sales team. It's not related to you, but still I wanted to explain few things out of this. So one is how we are surveying the market. We have a solid experience in domain. Each domain, whatever the domain in the previous slide, the shipping or insurance, telecom, we have a solid experienced candidates around us. Everybody is having 10 plus years, 15 years, lateral and Kumaran. So that is one advantage we have. And best cost advantage, the fourth point. Whatever the price I'm quoting for each project, that is unique and different compared to the competitor. And the most important point is ability to integrate people, process, technology. There are a lot of things companies are following, but our mantra is integrate all three together so that the business will be transformed to the next layer. So transformation partner. So when I say, suppose you are spending a 10 rupees on daily business or the result is 10 rupees, that will be transformed to 50 rupees. How? By integrating all these things, we'll understand your pain areas and then it will be addressed. And this is our corporate office. It is located in Title Park. It's the predominant place, icon of Tamil Nadu. So this is the first place emerged as for IT industry. We are one of the early authority. We are there from 2000 onwards. It's almost 14 years. It's 15 years. And why I am here? We need realistic intellectuals willing to learn new technologies as SMART, analytics, to be precise in analytics, and learn and grow along with Kumaran, long-term commitment approach. So selection process, online test, is going to be 1 hour online test after this discussion. You have to take a 1 hour online test, and then results within 10 or 15 minutes. I'll give the results to the placement directors, placement officers. They'll tell you. And then technical discussion, probably another 2 hours time you have to take the technical discussion. Once it is through, very subsequently I heard that exams are going. So after the exam, you can come to my office, or before that, there are some departments completed earlier. So those people can visit and take the second round at Kumaran office, and then final discussion on the same day. Because the slide designed for outside Chennai, that's why Chennai Kumaran office. Compensation is an important slide for all. So 2.5 lakhs initial salary, that is the salary the moment you step in, 2.5 lakhs per annum, and the second year will be revised based on your performance. Benefits have an insurance coverage, PF, gratuity, and whatever this statutory we are there. And career progression chart, you might have chosen the course by your parents' decision or your peers' pressure, a lot of things force you to take up the course. Like you may be having an aspiration to excel in different areas, which is in education-wise it is not possible, but in the work-wise we can give. For example, you are joining as a trainee programmer, so you can switch over after 2 years to testing or sales, or account relationship manager who are the technical side. Say for example the project side, you can elevate to project manager, delivery manager, where you can manage people and projects. Whereas when I say the technical side, it's pure technical, nothing to do with people, only manage their technology, learn latest technology and work, provide solution. That's fine. And testing, there's nothing, it's almost for fault finders. If you are very good at fault finding, you can pick up the testing side and analyze whatever that the file is developed by the developers and give the solution. That is one. And sales side, your relationship with the client, managing them, getting a lot of projects, all those things. So this is the current preparation what we have. By this, we are able to retain the talents. Like for example, the average tenure in Kumaran is 5 years. Any resource joining with us, let's stick with us minimum 5 years for whatsoever reason. This could be the best model we have in place in store. And apart from this, all the benefits, our values are different. It's not like, you will not feel like this is a company. You know, we're going for a company and we're working 8 hours long. It's all family-based setup. You can walk in and you have to deliver anything. You work like a family member. Employment terms, this is a very catchy slide. 2 years bond is mandate, no exclusion. You have to sign 2 years bond and have to serve notice if you select, because no organization is a charity institution. We are going to train you on latest technologies, and that is SMAC and .NET, Java, a lot of things we are going to train. Domain-based values also we are going to initiate. After that, on top we are providing the 2.5 lakh salary, first year salary, right? The second year only I can be able to extract the work. So that is the reason 2 years is mandate. But honestly speaking, most of the people will serve 5 years. That is how we are retaining, and due to some, if you take our attrition rate, it's somewhere around 10 to 15% all these years. Not more than that, whereas the industry standard 18 to 20%. Contact details, our corporate office is located in Title Park, the floor A North Wing. So any clarity, you can browse www.kumaran.com. Thank you. Any questions you can ask, I'm happy to clarify. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. And I sincerely thank Mr. Biju, Ravi sir, for facilitating this campus drive. It's a pool drive actually. They've connected almost 10 to 15 colleges and working for last 1 week to pull the crowd. Due to some exams, people are not turned up, but still we have the subsequent drives. Probably I'll meet them in the latest session also. And special thanks to all of you taking the time and coming to the rail. It's not easy, holiday time, finding a bus and the hot sun coming all this way. Thanks much. Any clarity you can mail us hr@kumaran.com. We're happy to assist you. And that is one. And test process, after this session they'll take you to the lab where you have to open the browser, the Google Chrome. You have to use Google Chrome. No other browser you should use. That is Firefox or Internet Explorer. My application will support only Google Chrome. Please open the system in Google Chrome, and there I'll give the instruction how we should proceed with this. Okay? Thank you.